This brand is backed by a very good guarantee, but it is only sold and installed by the Daikin factory authorized dealer network. The One Plus control is Wi-Fi enabled and works with their most advanced communicating HVAC equipment. The control provides for geofencing, where the HVAC system is automatically switched between home and away modes based on your smartphone location. The control provides weather information on the screen, including the local forecast, and provides error and service notifications. The One Touch is the latest addition to their Daikin One ecosystem, and it provides for voice control working with Alexa and Google Assistant. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.